Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by getting the controller physically connected so Fortnite can see it. First, check whether you have a wired controller, Bluetooth model, or an Xbox wireless adapter. That determines the exact pairing method. Once done, update Windows and install the Xbox Accessories app or drivers so firmware and mappings are correct. For Bluetooth, hold the pairing button and use Windows Bluetooth settings to add the device. For wired, plug into a USB port and let drivers finish installing. Now configure Fortnite and the controller so inputs match your play. Open Fortnite settings, switch input to controller, pick your preferred control layout, and tweak dead zone and sensitivity so aim feels natural. Make sure to update controller firmware via the Xbox Accessories app. This fixes button mapping and latency issues. Also close or disable conflicting programs like Steam Input or third-party remappers because they can intercept inputs and cause inconsistent behavior while you play. Finish by testing the controller in a lobby or creative island so you can feel movement, aiming, and button responses. While playing, make small sensitivity and dead zone adjustments until controls feel responsive. This iterative testing is why you configured firmware and closed background apps earlier. If the controller isn't recognized, try a single troubleshooting step first. Reconnect using a different USB port or the Xbox wireless adapter. Restart your PC and reinstall the Xbox controller driver to restore proper detection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.